Hello farms, we'll be using SNCast to deploy accounts. So using SNCast -u http and then pass the URL, and then the command is account create, then pass the name. You can either pass -n or --name, and then pass the clashes. You can get it at the Startknet CLI, then paste it, and then add the profile so that it can be added to the cargo.tamo. So to fund our accounts, we are going to add the use Danta client. I'm going to use Danta client. You can use Postman, and then just add the address and the amount you want to fund. So the address that was generated, and then also add the amount. So we are posting the JSON content. So the amount, you can add any amount you want. It will mint it from the server. Yeah, as you can see. So now we are able to deploy our account with funds. So you can see now with the add dot tamo, you can see it has dot counter. So if you can remove dot counter so that it can be your default. You'll see it once the end. How I'll do it. We'll change that later. So -- profile and then counter, because we want to use the counter profile to deploy. If you have another profile, you can use that. And then remember to add the max fee. Okay. And you have deployed your account now. So all these accounts are in the openzeal.json. You can just navigate to the folders and see. So now let's use these accounts to deploy our counter contract. So we first have to declare the contract and then pass the counter name, the contract name, the exact name as you've declared during the contract creation. We have generated the clashes which we will use to deploy the contract with. So to deploy the contract, just pass counter deploy clashes, and then you just run the command, and you can see it will generate the contract address. So with this contract address, we can actually interact with the contract. There's a video link down below. You can see how to interact with the contract. So you can always now deploy like that, or you can just go and to the cargo.tamo, remove the tools.profile, and then just use it as default, and then you just have to run SNCast and then deploy with the clashes that you generated during the declaring. You can just do that, and with that you can always just run one command, that is SNCast deploy, and then you just pass the declared clashes. And that is how, once you've made it the profile, the default profile, SNCast will always take that. But if you want to specify the profile, you always have to remember to pass -- profile to deploy your accounts. Thank you.